This lecture is going to be related to Cockpit servers. So Cockpit is a web interface service of related to your system administration. Like you have to enter in the root mode, type sudo su and enter in the root mode. Now just type here apt install Cockpit cockpit and then press enter. So this tool is approximately 10 megabytes and then it is installed automatically. You don't need to find or install this tool from the GitHub or any other store. It is a simple command. It is easily available on Kali repository, Kalilinux repository. And the tool is installed successfully. Now you can simply check. Uh, Let me find here Cockpit. Okay, here it is not show me, but here if I type here cockpit, the color should be convert to green. Okay, now the Cockpit service is start. You can check with the help of systemcdl status, systemcdl status Cockpit, and you can see that service is active. Now, and from here, if you directly type here Cockpit, then maybe it cannot be converted to a green color, or it cannot be show you in the menu like you can see here. I type here Cockpit, but it is not find here. But if I type here locate Cockpit, then it show me the location of my Cockpit service. And if I type here systemctl status Cockpit, and it show me activate, but it is not activate by default. You need to activate with the help of this command after install, like service I'm sorry, service Cockpit start, and then this will be start. And to check the status, type systemctl status Cockpit, and this is the status. Now, and from here, clear the terminal, and then just type here. So to connect to open the Cockpit session, you need to open your browser. Let me open my browser here and plus a new tab here. Now you need to find your IP. Like what is your IP? If I type config, and here is my IP. So there's a one thing which is similar between the SSH and Cockpit. That SSH and Cockpit is working on the same network. It means that you need to connect it to the same network where your both devices or every device is connected. So open the file browser and just type here the IP address, and then type the port number which is 9090. The Cockpit service IP is 99, port number is 9090. Then press enter your system IP and then port number 9090, and it automatically open this website, but it give you the warning because it launched on HTTP as not HTTP, only HTTP. Go to advanced and accept the risk and continue. It show you that it is not secure, but don't be worried, it is secure. Yes, if you are logging into on another device through another device to this servers, then it is not secure. I'm clearly set that. Now if you type here username, my username is respect, and type your password, your system password. Cockpit have no any by default password. And my cockpit portal is opened. Okay, it show me that my memory is full. I have total 4 gigabytes of memory and it is used completely. Here's my model, machine ID, uptime and information configuration, host name, system time, domain, join domain profile, performance profile, secured shell keys, show fingerprints. Now you can access to your logs, you can access to your storage, your networking, your accounts. You can create new accounts from here, like it show your storage detail, it show you your internet traffic uptime, uploading and downloading speed, it show you the users, that which use every user information, sub user information and root user information, every type of information. Here is my reading and writing speed. You can see here, if I add the monitor here, then you can see also here the other information. The networking means the internet speed information, that which user is used, how many system internet speed, and on which interface. So I'm using internet using my WLAN 0 interface. My VMware virtual machine information, some other running process information which are using the internet connection. And you have limited access on to this cockpit. When you click on limited access, it requires the password again. Type your password. Now you have the full access, administrative access. You can change anything from here. Click on accounts. In the administrative access, you can block any account, you can create a new account, you can do anything from here. It is a very easy process and it provides you so many tools to handle the administration information, administrator accounts. You can see here, this is your account. Currently there's a no any other account except your account, but you can create a new account from here and give the access to any user. You can create also new groups from here. You can check the services and the services, launch the services and control any services from here. Timer, patch, sockets, targets. It takes some time to load the services. Now you have application and software update access, and the finally you have terminal access. So it can take some time, so I've directly jumped to the terminal. It check the administrative access and show you the terminal here. Here is your terminal. Type sudo su, type your password, and you have root access. Okay, so you have access in the cockpit, you have accessed through the cockpit of your system terminal. Now exit from here. So I want to close this one. The application which are running in your system, it's showing you here. This is the cockpit actually. You can remove any servers, you can add any server, you can refresh any servers. And software updates. It show you that which system, which software or which program or which script need to be upgraded. You can easily update and upgrade from here. And next you have session, default, like, dark, display language, SSH keys and logout section from here. You have help section like web console, managing software updates, about web console, this. And that's it. And you have account switch information, add new host and some other access. So this is a cockpit service which is a very amazing. I use this service and mostly the system administrator use this service too much. Now I'm going to close this one, close from here, and now I'm going to show you that my mobile, Android mobile is connected to the same network. Let me show you the IP I have config. Here is my IP, and if I type here ARP-A, here is my mobile device MAC address and mobile device. I can show you here. Now I'm going to access to the cockpit through my mobile. Let me just show you first the IP and the MAC address of my device. About phone, all specs. status, and here is the detail. Now you can check at, here is the IP 192.168.2.103, and here you can see that 192.168.2.103, and the MAC address 98F6213E, here 98F6213, and so on. So that's it. Now let's just check it on my mobile. What is my system IP? Type ifconfig and here your system IP 192.168.2.190. Now I'm going to open the browser here plus a new tab here and type here 192.168 and then 2.190, but this is not enough. Type here the colon to enter the port number. Oh, where is the colon? Uh, I did not find the colon sign here. Okay, let's just find the colon sign on internet. Colon sign. Here is the colon sign. Copy it from here. Copy plus a new tab and search here 192.168.2.119. Then paste the colon sign, this one, and type here 9090, which is a cockpit port number. Press enter. Continue site. Advanced. Proceed to this IP. And here, now type your username and your password. I don't want to show the password, so I stop the video. Okay, I type my password. Now click on login. And you have access to your cockpit from outside, from inside your network. Not outside, inside your network. Now here are the option, your CPU user, memory user, and every information same that you access in your system. These are the panels. Account, storage, networking. All the things are same. Let me just show you the terminal here. Here is the terminal in the web interface. That's it. Now let me just show you that how you can get the administrative access. So overview, turn on. So that's it for this video, that how you can access to Cockpit and access it under your network. I hope you like it. The Cockpit is mostly used by the system administrator and you can install it with a single command. You don't need to be worried. And that's it for this lecture.